About to get a quick hike in Manoa Falls. Let's go. Yeah, it's a shortcut into the jungle. It's got like a 50-pound drone on his back.
Welcome to Jurassic World. White Jays, white Porsche. There you go.
Something. Play the song.
White Jays, white Porsche, white wrist, white horse.
Her name's Danielle Brigoli. Should have used something with her last name. Brigoli's a sick last name.
Kind of like yours, bro. Buscalia. I see some resemblance. It's gonna grow on you.
It could be related. Waterfalls up ahead. We're gonna check that out. But we're not gonna stop at that waterfall. We're gonna keep going. I think we're almost to the top. We're about to make it to the top pretty soon.
We took such an easier route. I'm used to climbing up this.
Deep as shit. So steep. Made it to the second waterfall. Breezy up here. Down there, we got me up in this tree. Can't really get the shot, vlog. Can't really see. It's a bit better. Oh. Like was epic. The view from the falls was insane. Vlog out. There's Garrett.
We got vlog.
We're about to go and hike. Cute white Porsche.
White Jays, white Porsche, white wrist, white horse.
Gotta make it up before sunset. Make your own trip. Just a Monday out here in Honolulu. You know, ain't a thing. Alright, time to trail the crater. We don't have a lot of time. Me and the young lord, we're all the way back there. Moon's out. Barefoot, bro. That's fucking crazy. Yes. Was pretty epic. And the Monday. Woo, Monday. Got tons of footies. I got my car towed in front of Iolani High School. I didn't know there was a towaway zone between 6:30 and 8:30 a.m. When you park places, look at the signs. I did not see the signs. Great way to start off my Tuesday morning. Shit happens. Stay optimistic.
Oh my god, so fast.
Ditching work to go see Black Panther. Wakanda. I pay $10 a month for this movie pass card, and I can see as much movies as I want each month. Is it worth it? Maybe, if you're an avid moviegoer. Guess what I snuck into the movies, guys? Snuck in a Pokeball. My favorite number. If you haven't seen Black Panther, go see it. It is epic. I loved it. What's up, son? Oh, you're so dirty. My Black Panther. For Wakanda. Young Talo cooking it up in the kitchen. Boom. Looking good. What do we have here, Talo?
We have some pretty classic pasta, the roasted garlic finish courtesy of Classico. But where this is going to stand out is the Brussels sprout, mushroom, onion, saute that's going to go alongside it. You know, I feel like pasta's a little boring, so as long as you add your vegetables to the other side, it's a great vegetarian option as well. For me, I've been a vegetarian for about a month-ish or so this is like a great go-to that I always make.
You heard it from the chef himself.
Pasta for the food.
Hey. Blows out. He was here for about 12 days, roughly. My homie is out.
Alright, man.
Alright. Just drop D'Tilo off. One of the main homies who gets me, who gets life, who gets entrepreneurship, who gets passion, who gets, you know, just doing your best and pursuing your goals and dreams and hobbies.
Wakanda. 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 Bagheera, I have embedded your claws with vibranium. You can scratch through anything. Yes, vibranium. Vibranium, Bagheera.
Getting some stretches in. Watching Daily V. I think it's very important, especially if you work in the corporate 9-to-5 life where you sit down 8 hours a day and you're sitting. I have a stand-up desk, so I like literally stand pretty much most of the day, but I still need to stretch anyways because my muscles are tight from the gym.
What? What?
Hey. Every time I sit down in my car and like get out, I have ants like crawl over me. So I have this fogger thing that I am going to put in my car right now. It says not to put it in enclosed spaces that are 5x5 or smaller. Yeah, I think it'll be okay. Here we go.
Smoking pot in there, you know.
I don't really know what to do with this vlog. If you have any ideas, questions, comments, let me know. What would you like to see me do in Oahu? I would do it. You want to see me free dive with some sharks? I will do it. PayPal me though. So this is my old rim. Rim that had a crack on it. The new rim is back there. Or on the other side, I can't remember. So the rim was cracked, it was leaking air. So I had to get a new rim. Quick tip. There's a thing called Craigslist, and you can grab free shit. I just grabbed this lamp. Now I'm gonna sell it on Facebook Marketplace for like 10 or 20 bucks. Cha-ching. Scored with this lamp. I almost don't want to sell it. What do you see, NoiL? I see a fridge here that I just got off of Craigslist, and now I'm gonna put it on Facebook Marketplace and sell this mirror for maybe like 20, 30 bucks. It's like brand spanking new. Cash money. Mess with the bull. Get the horns. About to film a Kong and Water Wednesdays. I think this is episode 12. It's behind the scenes. Editing. Void. Tom playing some Fortnite.